YouTube channel, Python Tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about the write operation in Python files. Write operation in Python files. Now, what is file mainly? The file means file is to store the data in permanently. The main purpose of the file is to store the data permanently, not only temporary, permanently. That is very important. Store the data in permanently. How to store? To write the data to a file. This is the write operation in file. In files, in Python files, write operation in Python files. In Python files, write operation, writing the data or write operation is done by three ways. One way is using write function. One way is using write function. Other way is using write lines function. And another one is using third one is using print function also. It's very important. Using print function also. These are the three important ways. One way is using write function, using write line function, using print function. Now what is the use write function? First one is use write function. Clearly, that means indirectly it is only for write function. This function is used to write the data to a file. This function is to write the data to a file. Write the data means write only one line at a time, only one line at a time to a file. This is very important. At a time to a file. This function is to write the data, write only one line at a time to a file. This is very important. Not write line to a file. Here, guys, this function is used to write only one line at a time to a file. How to write a function? The syntax. Second one is the syntax is write of data. That is the data. Write of data. Data is enclosed any information or data. Any information, storage information or data. Okay. So for example one, to store the names of the students. Okay. For example, to store the names of the students. For example, to store the names of the cities. For example, to store the names of the cities. Or for example, to store the names of the programming languages. No doubt anyone. To store the names of the programming language, or the names of the students, or the names of the cities, or the names of the countries. Anyone. First of all, to store the names of the programming language. For example, how to store the data? First one, to open a file. Open a file. FP file pointer equal to open. Syntax is done by the opening. And programming languages names. For example, this is the names.txt. Okay. File name is your names.txt. And the mode is which mode? Writing mode only. The file is open for which purpose? Write the data to a file. So now we are opening a file in W purpose. That means file pointer dot write of. Syntax is write any information or any data. Now clear. So now the names of the programming language. Now one programming language is Python. Clear. File pointer is very easy in Python. One programming language is C. File pointer to write off. One programming language is C++. One programming language is C++. Okay. And file pointer dot write off. One programming language is Java. Okay. File pointer dot write off. One programming language, for example, PHP. Okay. File pointer dot write off. One programming language is, for example, COBOL. No doubt. Any one programming language. These are the different programming languages. Okay, clear. Now these are the programming language. And here file pointer dot close. After completing all the operations, close the file. Guys, clear. Now this is the file operation, and these statements are enclosed in the comment section. And now run the command, run the program, complete program. Now the names.txt file, W mode. First one, open Python. The name of the file is names.txt file. Purpose is writing purpose. Open this one. Right now, say run the program. And one small print of file created successfully. Okay. Write operation done. Is done successfully. Write operation done successfully. Here, this is the first line, file creation. Now, here the file creation is done successfully. The file creates successfully, and the write operation success. The write operation done. Clear. Okay. All these statements are executing. After this statement automatically will be executed. Now run the program. Okay. Now file creates successfully. That means this statement is executed successfully. And next file operation is done. All these this data Python, C, CPP, Java, PHP, COBOL is write into names.txt. The name of the file is names.txt. For example, go to file, open. The file name is names.txt. Names.txt. Open it. Python, C, CPP, Java, PHP, and COBOL. Now here the data is stored in only one line. Because the data is stored in only one line. Because no new line pointer. Now if you are using new line /n, and we are using the /n command. Or is the /n. Okay, so the operations are completed. New line. Python is writing and go to new line. C is data to return into the file and return into the file. Go to new line, and so on. Now run this module. Okay, file create successfully. Write operation is done successfully. Clear. Now open a file. The name is names.txt. The name of the file is names.txt. Now Python. Go to next line C. Go to next line C++. Go to next line Java. All the names are stored in different lines. Clear? Using /n by using the write operation. This write function is used only for writing only one file, one line at a time. The next one is second one is very important. Write lines. This function is used to write more than one line at a time. More than one line at a time to a file. More than one line at a time to a file. Next one, the syntax is write lines of any information. More than one line, any data or any information, any data more than one line. This is complete syntax. Clear, guys? More than one line. Now this program, same program written in using write function. Only one line is possible. Okay. The same program written in. Okay. Example. Okay. To store the names of programming languages. Okay. These are written in the comment section. Okay. And now delete this one. And this is the program, complete program. These are written only one line. Write lines function. Write lines. Here the same program written in C. Okay. And no need of this one. Only one line. Everything is possible, only one line. Only one line. Observe this one. Okay. Only Python /n, C /n. Clear. For example, if you want to store one more value, Pascal /n. Okay. R language /n. Scala language /n. Okay. So write Write operation is done successfully. To store Pascal R and Scala also already these are added to the file using write lines function. This function to write more than one value, more than one line to a file. Now run this program. Okay, this operation is done. Okay, add this one. Clear, guys? Now go to the file name is names.txt. Go to file, open names.txt file. You can use other name also, no problem. Okay. Python, C, CVP, Java, PHP, COBOL. Using write lines function, add the Pascal and R and Scala also, because these three lines are added separately. Clear, guys? Now this is the file program using write operation. And one more, there are the three ways. Already observe this one. One more also by using print function also. By using print function. The third one is print function. This is very important function. This function is used to write the data or information to the screen or files also. Okay. Syntax is, for example, bit of syntax to write the names of the cities. Example to write the names of countries, for example, names of countries. Okay, clear? To write the names of the countries to a file. To write, for example, first to open a file, fp equal to open of names.txt file. The name is names.txt file. The purpose is writing purpose. Here very important. Names of the cities. Store all the names of the cities using. Please wait 1 minute. Okay, this is done by all these operations in enclosed in the single quote. Okay, using the print function. Okay, to store this one into open a file and names of countries. Store the names.txt file using write operation. Okay, clear. Now here using print function, not only write function, print of names of city. One city is India, one country is India. Okay, comma file equal to file pointer. This is syntax. And one of print of, for example, China. Okay, comma file equal to file pointer. Now print of USA, comma file equal to file pointer. Okay, print of, for example, Pakistan, file equal to file pointer. Okay, print of, for example, Singapore, the file equal to file pointer. For example, print of, okay, for example, UK, file equal to file pointer. These are the using print function to store the data in files. Now file pointer dot print of write operation success. This is only one small information for your information. File pointer dot close. After completing all the operations, close it. This is completed. Okay. To write the names of countries to a file using function, using print function, This is important. In other places this is not available, but here only it is available. Okay. Print India and to assign the file pointer equal to file and to store the data into particular file. FE to file, and so on. Now this run one. Okay. Write operation is success. Clear? Output is display. Write operation is success. And open a file, the names.txt file. Open a file. Sorry, clicking new. Open a file, names.txt file. These are stored in India, China, USA, Pakistan, Singapore, and UK. Here no need of new line /n because the print statement is automatically go to the new line. Here no need of new line /n. No need of new line because the print statement, the first statement is executed, and the control is automatically goes to the new statement, and the print statement automatically goes to the new statement. Okay, clear, guys? And writing the data to a file. Writing the data to a file in three ways. One way is using write function, one way using write line function, one way is using print function. Okay, up to here, clear all of you? Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.